I'm gonna pop some tags. Only got $20 in my pocket. I'm hunting, looking for a come up. This is fucking awesome. I look incredible. From that thrift shop down the road. I'm gonna pop some tags. Only got $20 in my pocket. I'm hunting, looking for a come up. This is fucking awesome.
Wednesday, complete with thrift store footage this week. So you may have noticed that I haven't been doing every episode of my Wicked Wednesday, Thrift Shop Thursday, and Mixed Mediology Monday so far. Oh God, life has really gotten in the way this month. Do you ever have times where things go really smoothly and everything is really boring and nothing happens and you just go on about your day and it's the same old routine? Okay, so that's how my life normally goes. However, with the holidays and then the upcoming move and snow in Virginia, which means everyone loses their mind, my family has had a lot of time home, a lot of vacation time, a lot of unexpected vacation days due to snow. We actually went out of town for several days, and I have got nothing done. I'm so behind. Like, I have so much to do. I have a free class that's coming out. I haven't even recorded it yet, and it needs to be live like 2 weeks ago. So I have Inchies, I have ATCs, I have a footy to make. I haven't done any of it. I'm so behind on everything. And oh look, I got my hair cut today. It looks so pretty. It's so much better. Not so fuzzy now. I like it. Anyway, yeah, so life has gotten in the way. I have videos done and ready to go, but I haven't had time. I mean, well, I had videos recorded, but I haven't had time to edit them. And then the videos that are due before the videos that are finished haven't been recorded yet. I don't know what I was thinking. But like, I don't know. I recorded videos for the future before I recorded the videos that are actually due. I don't know what I was thinking. So anyway, enough about that. Let me show you what I got from the thrift store this week. I actually went to 2 different thrift stores because I found a few things at my regular thrift store, and I bought something, but then I decided to see if I could find something else. I'm actually looking for something in particular, and I can't find it. So I went to another thrift store. So anyway, this is what I got at the thrift store this week. I got a Ouija board. And it's just one of the little games, you know, the little, I think it's Parker Brothers. Yeah, the Parker Brothers Ouija board. And I'm going to just shabby this up a little bit, make it a little bit more creepy. I'm going to pull it out here so you can see. But I'm not really going to do a whole lot to this, and I'm actually just going to use it for a Halloween decoration. So this is what it looks like. It's just the little cheapy cardboard Ouija board and the little oracle thing, slider thing. So I got that, but I'm not really going to do a whole hell of a lot to this. So I decided to keep looking and see if I could find something else, and I did. I went to another thrift store and found this. And it says 95 cents, but I actually only paid 49 cents for it. But what it is, it's called Color Tiles, and it's another game, but they're Inchies. Look at that! They're little square plastic tiles, and they're 1 inch square. I measured them. So they're Inchies. They're perfect. And as you know, last year I did an Inchie swap every month throughout the entire year. And if you follow me on Facebook and if you're in my Hop Swaps and Doo-Wops group, you know that this year, 2014, is the year of the footy. And if you're not familiar with a footy, it's a term that my friend Robin Colliard actually coined because she hates Inchies. She hates the little tiny things. And she said she was tired of Inchies and she would do a footy or a yardie or anything but an Inchie. So 2014 is the year of the footy, and basically a footy is a 12 by 12 instead of a 1 inch by 1 inch, or you know, an ATC, which is 2.5 by 3.5. A footy is just a 12 by 12 piece of art. And the entire year for 2014, I'm going to do a monthly footy swap in the Hops, Swaps, and Doo-Wops group on Facebook. So if you'd like to participate in some of my swaps, then go over and find the Hop, Swaps, and Doo-Wops group and join the group, and then you select which swaps and challenges you want to participate in. There's never any pressure. You don't have to participate in anything, but you can pick and choose which ones you want to join in. So I said that I would still continue to do the Inchie swaps because really, Inchie swaps really are fun and people love them. So I figured for February I would do a footy swap and an Inchie swap. And I'm going to use these little tiles to make my Inchies to trade. Thanks so much for being here and hanging out with me. Remember, if you ever have any questions or comments, you can leave it in the comment section below. You will also find the link for the Hops, Swaps, and Doo-Wops group there in the description below. So if you want to join any of these swaps, come on over to the group and hang out with us. Thanks so much for being here and subscribing. I am almost to 1,000 subscribers. I am so close. I can taste it. I'm so excited. And I have a box here, a box of stuff that I've been adding to, and I'm going to make a really, really nice giveaway for whenever I do reach my 1,000 subscribers. And we're going to have a party. I'm having a party. I'm so excited. All right, that's it for real. Thanks so much for being here with me today. If you like what I do, subscribe. That way you don't miss any of this stuff. And then share and tell your friends so they can hang out with us too. Thanks so much for being here, and I will see you next time. Mwah. Bye.